What is going on, you guys? I have something super special for you. We just got in a brand new 2020 Audi S8 in this glacier white with a Merlot red interior. It looks insane. White with the black optic. These 20-inch wheels. Huge brakes. I just want to bring you guys a quick walk around since we just got it in. And there's not many to see out there. Just do a quick walk around here. Twin turbo V8, 563 horsepower. Those insane laser lights. Oh. Nice diamond stitch interior. I love the back end too. So aggressive. The exhaust tips, you can fit your fist in there. They're huge. Let's see. Oh, this black optic is aggressive. Because of the size and the magnitude of it, it has such presence. I hope that comes through on the video, but this thing is a beast. I'll show you guys the window sticker. Take a look here. Glacier white metallic exterior with the Merlot red interior, full leather package, rear seat comfort, so you have the ventilation and the massage seats in the rear. The executive package, driver's assistance, then the black optic, which I think is a must on this car. To bring you to 148,845. That gas mileage there, although I don't think this is a gas mileage car. Yeah, new 2020. I'm excited to get some more sport models in. Get a look at the interior here. Nice diamond stitch interior with a nice S embossing on there. Heated and ventilated. Turn on the electronics here. So this is all similar to A6, A8. Same dual touch display. Virtual cockpit, you have a little different settings since it's an S. So your consumption, different views. I love this virtual cockpit. But I love the sport display as well. And there's different options in there. You can dig into. But I just want to bring you guys a quick look at it. Got your wireless charging mat in there. I think this would look cool if it was carbon fiber. Little carbon fiber shifter. Got the red start button. Take a look in the back here. Your rear sunshades. And then this Merlot red is very unique. I hope it comes through on the video. But very dark, almost brown. But tons of legroom back here. Flip this down. couple 12 volts. And then you have memory seating for the rear as well. Nice metal buttons. This one has just black inserts for the trim. And then Bang & Olufsen sound system. All right. Take a look at the trunk here. Huge trunk, oh my gosh. Tons of room, a little cargo net under here. Keep your things in place. And then just a spare tire. We'll close that up. Just an automatic trunk. These exhaust tips are insane. My fist right next to it. Just about fit it in there. Give you another side shot from the front here. That paint's amazing too. Super metallic. All right. Like I said, I just want to bring you guys a quick walk around because I haven't seen many of these out there, and we just got one in here. So I hope you guys have a great day and take it easy.